following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Avalanche Center. Avalanche watch for the Rocky Mountains. The second in a series of strong winter storms will affect the mountains of central Tennessee Thursday night and Friday. Intense snowfall and driftings now is possible during the storm. During periods of heavy snowfall, natural and human-triggered avalanches become likely. Avalanche conditions could become very dangerous, and travel in or below avalanche terrain is not recommended. If the winter storm progresses as forecast, we will upgrade this watch to an avalanche warning on Friday morning. For more information, visit www.avalanche.org.